The process of configuration is also related to planning. We can consider a planner that actually generates the plan in this plan abstraction hierarchy. But then for any plan in this plan abstraction hierarchy, then it converts a plan in this plan abstraction hierarchy into a skeletal plan. It drops the values of the variables in their plans and constructs it into a plan that simply specifies the variables without specifying the values. The process of configuration planning then takes these plans, organizes them into abstraction hierarchy, and goes about instantiating and refining and expanding them. We already discussed how configuration is connected to a number of other lessons like case-based reasoning, planning, and classification. You may also consider this plan to be a kind of script for physical objects. In addition, these plans may be learned through learning methods similar to the method of incremental concept learning. In addition, this plan hierarchy might be learned through learning methods similar to the method for incremental concept learning. One of the things that we are doing in knowledge-based AI is to describe the kinds of knowledge that we need to learn. Before we decide on what is a good learning method, we need to decide on what is it that we need to learn. The configuration process tells us of the different kinds of knowledge that then become targets of learning. To connect this lesson back to our cognitive architecture, consider this figure once again. So knowledge of the prototypical chair as well as knowledge about the various plans in the abstraction hierarchy are stored in memory. As the input gives specification with the design problem, the reasoning component instantiates those plans, refines them, and expands them. The knowledge itself is learned through examples of configuration of chairs that presumably the agent has already encountered previously.